Hello there. My name is Kelly Harries. I'm a licensed and board certified behavior analyst, and I'm here to talk about why you should drop an error bar instead of drawing a line. To drop an error bar, all you do is you select that data series, click Add, and select error bar. Go to Data Series Error Bars. You want it going in the minus direction, and you want the value to be at 100 because that's as high as the graph goes. What you could also do is draw a line. So to be completely honest, I don't even know how to draw a bar, but I do know that the line is considered a shape. So I just search for shapes and it comes up. I'm going to use this line. I'm going to click my first phase line and draw it all the way down to the 0. I'm going to drag the line over to this line to make sure that it's straight. It's a little crooked. Okay, so that's the first phase line. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste. So that's your graph. So let's say that this data just happens to be completely wrong, and I have to delete like a month's worth of data. All that was wrong. So now you can see the phase lines no longer align. So we're going to do the same thing to the error bar graph. It's probably about here. Yeah. The whole month is gone. Delete. And my baseline remains in the correct position. Okay. Let's check out another scenario. So let's say that you want to graph only the data that you have already entered. So it goes to cell 52, right click, select data, and we're going to cell 52. Our error bars are still in the correct position. For the drawing graph, select data, and we go to 52. You have to move the lines again. Let's work harder, not smarter. I said it wrong. Work smarter, not harder. I hope you have a wonderful night. Talk to you soon. Bye.